In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly enhance your Canva document using box frames. Canva is a fantastic tool, whether you're designing social media posts, presentations, or any kind of graphic work. Adding frames to your design can really create a more polished and professional look. And today, we'll focus specifically on using box frames, which offer a clean, structured aesthetic. First, let's navigate to your Canva document. This is the starting point for all your exciting designs and projects. If you haven't already opened your document, go ahead and do so now. This is where you'll bring your creative vision to life. Consider this your digital canvas, a place where you can experiment and truly express your ideas. Once you're in your Canva document, look to the left sidebar of your screen and find the Elements option. It's represented by an icon and should be quite prominent, making it easy to spot. Clicking on this will open up a world of design possibilities. Now with Elements open, you can see a multitude of design tools at your disposal. But today, our focus is on box frames. In the search bar located at the top of the Elements panel, type in box frames. This search will present you with a variety of frame options that are specifically box or square shaped, perfect for different design purposes. Browse through the selection and take your time to choose a frame that best meets the aesthetic or functional needs of your project. These frames serve as containers for your photos or designs, offering them a neat and tidy appearance. You might wonder why you'd choose one frame over another. Well, some frames might have thicker borders, others might have a shadow effect, and some might even offer a more modern, minimalist look. The choice of frame can really influence the overall feel of your design. So take this opportunity to experiment with different styles. Once you've selected your desired box frame, simply click on it to add it to your document. You can then drag and position the frame wherever you feel it fits best in your design. It's as easy as that. And don't worry about making mistakes. Canva's interface allows you to effortlessly move elements around, resizing or deleting them if needed. So feel free to play around with different arrangements until you find something that feels just right. And that's it. It's such a simple process, but adding a well-chosen box frame can give your design that extra level of professionalism and flair it deserves. This quick guide should hopefully leave you feeling more confident in using Canva's features to create stunning visuals. Feel free to explore further and make your designs truly unique. Happy designing, and be sure to check back for more Canva tips and tricks.